Yeah, so I've owned this car for about a week and a half now, and I have to say that compared to any other car I've ever been in, and I've been in at least a handful, this is probably the best car that's ever been made in the whole world. And you know, there's gonna be people that'll disagree with me, and that's fine, but I actually do know better than them because, like I said, I'm an owner. You know, I'm not yanking your chain. This is my real experience, and I have to say that this is probably not just the best vehicle that's ever been made, but the best thing that's been made ever in the whole history of the world, second only to my mother. And you know, I'm really happy with my purchase. I think that you would be too. I got a great interest rate, only 27% APR at my local dealer.
Go back inside.
Can we get ice cream?
Ask your mom. I'm doing a video.
Why don't you love me?
You're not even mine.
So, you know, I gotta say, I've been driving this car around for about 4 minutes now, and it's abundantly clear just how much innovative technology we got in here. And props to Ford Motor Company, really. They've been doing so much great stuff over the past entire time they've existed. And you know, it's just crazy. All the different technology we got, it's like really no other company has ever made such competitive products in any single place that they're competing. And this has nothing to do with this specific car whatsoever, but I just wanted to make sure that at least 7 times, as my contract states, that I mention Ford Motor Company in full and about how good all of their vehicles are. I mean, they got 2 different automobiles right now that are both named after horses. I mean, what are they going to come up with next? All right, so I gotta say, we're behind the wheel of the car now, and I'm sure you guys see it just like me. There is so much positive press for all of these cars, you know, everywhere. And it's like, who's paying these guys off, am I right? I mean, if we're gonna talk about integrity, that's something that I have in spades. And it's something I really pride myself over, is I'm not gonna let myself become some shill for a company, because, I mean, for a car that you can get for a reasonable price, sure, on paper, it's like, you look around and like, there's only 2 cup holders. It's like, what if you have 3 cups? It's so ridiculous. And yet no one's seeing it. They're all so blind, but luckily I've seen the light, and gosh darn it, it makes my ego feel really good. If I'm gonna tell you the truth, and I'm not biased at all, but just because everyone else says it's great, I gotta say, it definitely is not great. It has problems. If you look around, I can nitpick like at least 2 or 3 different things on the car. So is it really something you want to look for? I'm gonna go ahead and say no, just because I like to feel different than other people for some desperate sense of accomplishment in my misery.
I got some bad news about the Mustang, guys. And I am not excited to tell you about it. Before we get into how I crashed the Mustang, let's talk about today's sponsor. Actually, you know what? Why don't we swing by Jeff's shop real quick and we'll go ahead and talk to him for a minute. So what's the problem with the Mustang? Well, let me show you. I accidentally bounced a dart off of my dartboard, and there is, you know, just chips all over the fender now. So anyway, if you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys next time. Peace! Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Colton. This is Colton. This is Cars, and we're gonna get straight into the video right away. If you do enjoy car content, please make sure to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not been here before. And we're gonna get straight into the video. We're gonna be doing all sorts of different modifications of the Mustang. I hope you guys are ready. And I have had so much cocaine and caffeine today, and I am just absolutely pumped. The walls are breathing. Let's get into it. So yeah, like it's it's pretty, you know, like it's a fun car. So, you know, I'd say that if you're looking for one, then maybe then you could probably, I'd say you could probably, you know, buy it and is pretty neat. Guys, a lot of you have been saying that you're interested in seeing more budget car content, and I hear you. And so just outside right now is actually our new budget build that we're gonna be doing on the channel. I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Let's pull it in the garage right now. That's right, guys, our new build for the channel is this 2011 Mustang GT, and we're gonna be doing an awesome budget build series with it. $50,000, something anyone can afford. Let's get started right now.
Hey guys, Showroom Max here. Today I'm gonna be plastic dipping the
again.
first video.
Guys, I am so excited for this video. I've been waiting to show you guys this for a long time. Parked just behind me right now is my new divorce attorney in my new McLaren. Wait. Hey guys, it's Guy Who Just Talks in His Garage here, also known as Colton. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please consider subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate all of you guys who stop by and watch the videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.